Welcome back. I hope that you are excited to learn that anyone, no matter their age, can learn to crochet. I also appreciate all the comments that you left on video too. They help me know what type of patterns to create. Have you ever gone to the craft store and just stared at the aisles of different types of yarn and different sizes of hooks that they have available for purchase? I often did this when I was first learning to crochet. I didn't know which yarn and which hook to buy for my project. There are two basic types of yarn, synthetic yarn and natural fiber yarn, and which one that you want to use depends on what type of project you're doing. Synthetic yarns are great for small projects or such items as blankets when you're just first starting out learning to crochet and you don't want to spend a lot of money. This is an example of an acrylic yarn, which is a synthetic yarn. Natural fiber yarns are yarns such as wool, bamboo, silk, or even alpaca. They often come as a blend of several different fibers. Outside of cotton, these yarns are usually just a little bit more expensive, but the projects made with these yarns are beautiful for years to come. Cotton is a yarn that is great for making items that might get wet, such as washcloths, dishcloths, or hot pads. Here's an example of a wool yarn, an alpaca and wool blend yarn, and a merino wool yarn. These yarns are often great for making sweaters or heavy throws, something that you want to be warm and last for a long time. Yarns also come in different weights or different sizes of yarns. You might have a fingering weight yarn, which is very thin, or you could have a chunky weight yarn, which is quite thick. These are good for making warm hats. Picking your crochet hook size is really not a mystery. You just pick your hook size based on the size of the yarn for your project. Your yarn label and your pattern usually will tell you what size of hook to use. Hooks come in all kinds of sizes and they are made with different types of material. Aluminum or a steel hook. You could have a wooden hook. A large hook is for your large chunky yarns, and this has got a bamboo handle. And my favorite are the ergonomical handles on the crochet hooks. They have a little bit of a silicone handle. Besides yarn and a crochet hook, crocheters need a good pair of scissors and a yarn needle for their projects. My favorite craft is to crochet, and I crochet a lot. Often when I'm crocheting, I hear, "Wow, that's really beautiful. I wish I knew how to do that." So I'm offering a beginning crochet course for those who would love to learn this beautiful skill, or for those who know someone who would love to learn to crochet. Watch your email for a notice as to when enrollment is open for my beginning crochet course.